Hi guys, David here with MarineMax Miami, and today I am on board a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This is a fantastic day boat. It's good looking, it's fast, it rides well, and it's really well built, and it's an excellent layout. Powering this boat are twin Mercury 350 V10s. What a great power plant for this boat. It rockets it. As we make our way further into the boat, we have this awesome sun pad right here where you can lounge and grab some sun. As we make our way into the boat, you'll see we have this sure shade that extends from the hardtop with just the push of a button. And then we have this beautiful L-shaped seating right here to sit lots of friends, family, and anybody you're out on the water with. We also have a spot for a table down here, so you have a spot to eat, enjoy, just have a good time. On the starboard side of the boat, we have a wet bar with a grill. So here we have some usable space. When this is down, you have usable counter space. And with it up, you have your barbecue, your sink, and below that, we have a fridge. As we make our way further into the boat, we have this great fiberglass hardtop. Provides lots and lots of shade. It looks good, and it also has a built-in sunroof into it. We have another seat here for two, and we have this companion seat that can actually flip facing forward or backwards, depending on how you're using the space. As we make our way towards the helm, we have another companion seat at the helm, so you can sit two up here. You have twin 12-inch Simrads, your Mercury throttles, and your joystick, which makes docking this boat an absolute breeze. You have your Sea Ray steering wheel here, VHF, and then some of your controls, as well as a lot of the controls in the screens for the boat through the Sea Ray icon, which really makes it easy. Right over here, we have our head compartment. It's spacious and easy to use, and it extends your days out on the water. As we make our way towards the bow of the boat, we have an air dam right here, as well as a closing windshield to block out the wind on one of those windy days. Further forward, we have our bow loungers here, so you can grab some sun. You can also put a table here as well. And we have our windlass electric anchor, so the anchor goes up and down with just the push of a button on the remote or from the helm. Guys, this is the Sea Ray 310 SLX. Come check it out at MarineMax Miami. I'd love to show it to you and help you get out on the water. Come see us.